Now your Storm Track 7 forecast on KWWL.
Good Wednesday morning. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Kyle Keel. Threat tracker in the orange the next couple of days. Just want you to be aware of that potential for some light snow that could create some slip driving conditions. We're going to watch this kind of in two phases. One will be today and tonight. The other will be later tomorrow afternoon into the evening. And then we could be talking about some more light snow as we head into Friday. Still some questions on how this whole system is going to evolve, so you'll want to stay up to date with the forecast. But notice these temperatures today. They're going to be in the lower to middle 30s, so we're talking temperatures close to freezing. So this will be more of that wet variety of snow, so it'll be a little harder to shovel. Luckily, it's going to be light snow. Now keep in mind this morning we've already had reports of some freezing rain and sleet mixed in, but eventually that should transition to all snow. It'll become breezy with southeast winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Snow will continue tonight. It will be light but steady. We'll have south winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures will be in the upper 20s to lower 30s. Here's Future Track. We'll just kind of give you an idea of the timing. Now this might not be the exact placement of it, but I want you to notice that those wind streams are coming in from the south. So again, it will be breezy at times, but that snow's not going to be powdery, so we're not really concerned about blowing and drifting. It just might reduce visibility just a bit. As we head from 7 o'clock to about 9 o'clock, notice we will start to see that wintry weather move into our western hometowns. And then by lunchtime into early afternoon, that snow will begin to make progress off to the east. And by that afternoon and evening commute, most of eastern Iowa will be dealing with at least some light snow. By this point in time, we could see a dusting, maybe up to an inch, inch and a half of snow on the ground. And that snow will continue as we head through the overnight hours. Might add an additional 1 to 2 inches. Here we go from 9 o'clock to the wee hours of the morning. You'll notice that the snow will slowly wind down, become a little bit less widespread. By tomorrow morning, we'll be tracking a few flurries, maybe a couple snow showers. Still some question on the widespread of the snow here tomorrow, but I think your better chance for snow is going to come tomorrow afternoon into the evening. For today, 1 to 3 inches of wet snow possible. We're watching those slick roads as a potential here, especially here early this morning as we do get a few reports of the ice. Watch for that slick spot on the roads continuing here as we head into tonight. Tomorrow into Friday, we will see another 1 to 3 inches of wet snow possible. Slick travel is going to be an issue as well that we have to keep a close eye on. But the good news with the wet snow and the potential for those temperatures to get near or above freezing, some of that snow will compact and maybe melt once we get through those kind of lesser periods of snow. So just kind of a lot to track here the next few days. Through Friday, we should see anywhere from 3, maybe 6 inches of snow, depending on how things play out. But I think most folks will end up on the lower end of this total. But regardless, we do need to keep an eye on those road conditions throughout the next couple of days. City-by-city forecast has temperatures in the lower to middle 30s. So once again, with temperatures so close to freezing, not only here, but maybe 1,000 to 3,000 feet above us, could be dealing with some rain mixed in, maybe a little sleet and freezing rain. All hazards that we need to keep a close eye on. Storm Track 7-day forecast has temperatures that will be moving into the 30s here throughout the next few days. Once that snow comes to an end here on Friday, we will be talking about cloudy skies for the weekend. With a little bit of melting snow, we'll have to watch for the potential of fog.